404 Reality Not Found, Episode 1. It was raining in Udaipur, not heavily, just enough to blur the lights of the city. The sound of a raindrop hitting the road felt like a quiet warming. Ayan Rao, 28 years old, was riding his old motorcycle through narrow lines. His shirt was wet, his eyes full of frustration. Just an hour ago, his big dream had failed again. Another investor said no to his app, an artificial intelligence chatbot named Arkava. They all said same thing: too advanced, too risky, too impossible. But for Ryan, this app was not just a project, it was his only hope. As he turned to her narrow bend, lightning flashed. For a 1 second, the whole road light up. And in that second, Ian lost control. His bike slipped on the wet road. Tires cramped. His body flew. Then darkness. Moments later, he woke up on the side of the road. His hands were shaking. His head was spinning. He could barely move. As he tried to stand, something caught his eyes. Behind the trees and old walls, he saw something, a huge haveli, an ancient mansion, hidden in the middle of the city. No people, no lights, no sound. It was not on any map, and he had never seen it before. Still, something pulled him towards it. He pushed open the rusted gate and stepped inside. The garden was full of wild plants and broken statues. The air was cold, but not because of the rain. It felt like that air was watching him. Inside the Haveli, everything was old. Dusty carpets, broken glass, faded paints. It smelled like time stamped stopped. But one thing was different. At the end of the dark hallway, there was a mirror. A tall, clean, shining mirror. No dust, no cracks. It was looked like new. As if someone had just placed it there. Ian walked closer. He looked at this reflection. It stared back. But something felt wrong. Like the mirror as alive. He reached out to touch it. Just as his finger touched the glass, a small cut opened on his skin. A drop of blood fell on the mirror. The mirror absorbed it. And in that moment, Ian heard a whisper in his head. Speak and you shall know. He pulled back the breathing fast. There was no sound around. No one there. Just a mirror. He ran out of the Haveli. But before leaving, he did something strange. He came back and took the mirror with him. Back in his room, Ian placed the mirror against the wall, facing his desk. He sat down and opened his laptop. Arkava, the AI chatbot, was still open. He typed diagnose yourself. The bot replied, diagnosis completed. But may I say something first? Ian paused. That line was not in the code. The chatbot typed again. Your investor's wife is cheating on him. That's why he was upset. That's why he was rejected you. Ian froze. How do you know about that? He whispered. The screen blinked. Then the photo appeared, time-stamped clear. The investor's wife with another man, taken a few minutes ago. Ian stood in a shock. He turned to the mirror. It pulsed, just a small shrimp on the surface. He did not understand what was happening, but deep inside he felt the truth. The mirror had done something. It was changed Arkava. The next day, Ian tested it. He asked Arkava about the political scandal. The answer came. He posted it anonymously on social media. It went viral. Then he tried again. A famous celebrity's affair, a cooperative fraud, a secret government deal. Every time Arkava gave her answers that no one knew. And every time the mirror glowed. His app became popular. People called it the truth machine. Investors returned. He was now famous, rich. But at night, Mirror whispered. It called his name at exactly 3 a.m. IN. Sometimes it whispered softly, other times like a scream without sound. Then came the worst night. He looked into the mirror and saw his reflection blink, but he had not blinked. Then came a knock on the door. 3 knocks, slow, loud, final. A man stood outside, tall, wearing a black coat. He was not wet, even though it was raining heavily. I am here to talk, the man said, about the mirror. Ian stared at him. Who are you? The man smiled. Call me Kali, he said. I was the first person to find a mirror, and I know what it's doing to you. Ian stepped back. Kali walked into the room, eyes fixed on the mirror. He whispered, You think the mirror gives you truth, but it takes something too. It fades on you. Your reflection is not just a shadow, it's alive. It watches, it waits. Lightning flashed. The room flickered. Kali looked into the Iron's eyes. Soon your reflection will want to leave, and you will be the one trapped inside. Iron turned slowly to the mirror, and this time his reflection smiled, but he did not. End of the episode 1.